Hey guys, good morning and greetings to you all watching this video. Today is day 3 of the wedding. Actually, it's day 4. So right now Vaughn's come to pick me up and we are... So as you guys know that we didn't stay at Evander's place last night and we came back over here. Right now we are heading to Uttarakhand to Planet Hollywood and I'll see you guys there. We have just reached here to Kenilworth and the boys are in front. So Mario and Evander Charles, we all reached at the same time. Right now I'm gonna have some free time, so I'll just sit and do my ads work.
Warren Buffett.
I'm going for...
अरे प्रथमेश वॉरन बफे
What about this TH?
वॉरन बफे
काय लागणार रे?
फ्युचर त्यांनी स्टार्ट केलं म्हणजे फ्रॉम द गॅराज ओके बढ़िया स्टार्ट करता डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम TH समजलं का सी द लेवल लेवल
येलो मध्ये तो हमको डिस्टर्ब करना It's for 500. 500.
सूर्यवंशम पहिला प्रथमेश माय बाहेर
Waiting for a sense of closure, trying to cover up these scars, fix another broken heart.
Currently, our teams have been divided. Half of the team has gone to the bride's room and half of them are in the groom's room. So right now it's just Vaughn, Prathamesh and myself. We are shooting the setup. The setup is not yet ready and we are also dehydrated. So we're just going to the restaurant right now, pick up some water bottles. I think the wedding is going to start at 3, at least 3. The Bharat should start.
Finally, we reached the restaurant. We got
Distillery. I'll go with McDonald's.
Bisleri. It's the same thing. I don't know whether the water is actually filtered or what. But it's okay. It is. Bisleri, if you sponsor this, we love you a lot.
I did my ads work like roughly when we just entered. Most of my clients' work I finished it off. And once we go back home to Evander's place, that is the time I'm going to sit with the work. And tomorrow, since the first half of the day, we have it. So yeah, I have a very important report which I need to submit tomorrow. This was much needed. I had put my batteries for charge over here and because I again forgot last night to charge it, but yeah, now it's full charge and we are going to the setup over there and it's very hot outside. It's just that if we are prepared to get tanned. I think this is like after the wedding, this is the area where they're just going to come have the dinner. Right now we're going on the beach to have a look at the setup if it's ready, and if it's ready we're just going to take some shots and then I have to head to the Bharat to shoot the Bharat. It looks like the setup's still not ready, so I think we're just going to chill over here for roughly around 15 minutes. I think they just need 15 minutes to get everything ready, cleaned and all that stuff, or even more. Also, I felt I need to improve on how I'm holding the camera because most of the time it's down over here. I don't think it looks that great, but yeah, I'm just going to hold it somewhere here like this and I'll show you guys how the setup is done so far and how much is remaining. So Vaughn's also vlogging over there. That area that you guys can see, that needs to be cleaned. There's a lot of work actually. I think roughly around 30 minutes, 20 minutes? 20 minutes. Yeah, roughly around 20 minutes is required for everything to get ready. Currently the groom has entered in there and we've taken our shots. There's a 20 minutes Ganesh Puja happening and then the bride's gonna enter. We are just chilling over here. I just came aside under this tree where there's shade, though I'm still getting hit by the sun, but it's not that harsh. Unlike because right now it's around 5:10. Now my phone battery is around 18% and I don't know if I'm going to survive with this battery. So whatever I'm able to vlog, I'm just going to vlog over here. Bro decided to come with a Canon camera over here. Hey guys! Right now there's a reception happening Actually, it's not a reception. A reception happening tomorrow, and we're going to play our on the spot edit video over there. Right now, it's just the wishing that's going on, and later on at night, we are deciding to go and get chicken leg piece, something that you get in Margao. It's more like a roast, what they use for roast omelette, and a leg piece, and with bread, you just enjoy it. Just played an amazing game. Like Juan and Saish were playing table tennis, and I was playing pool. I also played a game with a guest. Actually, that was one of my best games so far over here in Planet Hollywood. Now we are going to eat something. Juan and me, we were craving for leg piece, but I'm not sure whether
We're actually going. I don't know. These
Yeah.
guys might just land up taking us to a restaurant. So
I'm
no
done
clue.
with fast food and all that. We just need that authentic
Pound with
Pound with leg
and
piece and-
charcuterie.
Anyways, guys, I'm going to show you how that leg piece also looks like.
It's the leg piece.
Hit the gym, baby. Hit the gym.
All the time.
Thank you.
10.
We just finished eating the chicken leg piece. I had a chicken leg piece and also omelette pav. I wanted to have the roast omelette, but I think it would be too much like. And then I had gone to another gado also to check for chicken sukha, but sadly that was also over. Anyways, so right now we are planning to go home. So we're just going to give the cards to Evander and
Yeah.
go.
So that they can start their overnight edit.
So see you,
Sure,
bro.
bro. See you.
Take care, man. Oh, we're watching guys.
Yeah, like,
bodybuilding.
We came at the same time.
Chalo. See you.
Peace out,
Good
guys.
night. Just got done. I mean, I just reached home. Morgan dropped me. So we had actually decided to stay at Evander's place, but then Charles had to edit like an on-the-spot video. So we were like, might as well come home. Anyways, guys, hope you all loved the video. Do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video. Peace.